Great game from Albany. There he is in lane 2. That's Steve Hines. John Coomer, the College of William and Mary. Andrew Rainier of Penn State. In position 5 off that turn, that's Camden Marshall, the Indiana senior. You got Kiari Lee of Mississippi State. He's a first year. John O'Reilly, the Wolverines of Michigan. Edward McCrivion of South Carolina. And Jackson Eckert, Buckeyes, Ohio State. There they are. Going up on the 300-meter mark. That's Kiari Lee and Camden Marshall, 1 and 2. Marshall there for the Indiana Hoosiers. That's John O'Reilly of Michigan. And then Lee of Mississippi State. Meters to go up the straightaway. Here they come. Checking traffic left and right for straight line. This is Marshall across the line first for the Indiana Hoosiers.